Check out this 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Call today to schedule a test drive.